Just thought I'd show you one more feature that Drone Complier can do. This is for all you beyond visual line of sight flyers, those who are authorized to do this. This would be a neat and quick feature that you can do to analyze a flight. So here we are, going to fly across Kangaroo Valley. I reckon that would be quite bumpy road in terms of terrain. Going to have a 30-meter buffer on either side. So done. And now it's going to analyze that flight path. Didn't take too long to do that, did it? Notice that it's showing that we're going through several different airspaces too. So we've got the whole flight path. Anywhere along that flight path we can analyze it. And it tells us whether we're going to go through various airspaces. So there you go. That is a new feature for you to have a look at. Flight path.